Alright, so first remove these. Now, this. Remove the battery post. It's a 10 mil. You gotta remove this whole battery just to get that one bolt that holds that there, unfortunately. I'm gonna try doing this with one hand and holding the camera with the other. Now you remove your plate here. And you gotta pop that off, flat head. And twist, I believe. Uh-oh. I just lost the clip. There. I'm gonna try to wiggle that out there. Okay, I lost the clip. Hopefully it fell out on the ground. No. Great. Well, anyways, so remove the battery. All that to get to that one stupid bolt there. Next, I would remove the sensors. This one here, you need pliers to get it out. So now the stock clamp that goes there, you just squeeze it with pliers and it'll come right off. But I have that because I lost mine. Remove those. Another one in the back there also. You can see you gotta pinch that with pliers and then push up. There's also a 10 mil here. Finger loose after you loosen it. I put it back in after I pull this out. That way I don't lose the bolt and the hole doesn't rust. Finger tight that. That's good there. Now there's one more there. It's 10 mil to get that off. And I'm gonna need an extension. 10 mil here, get this. There, now that should just come right out, like that. Remove these. It comes with other ones, I don't know. You can just use the new ones, but I just use the stock here. I'm gonna start to hollow it. I'm out of breath, biting down on the GoPro. Okay, this, you gotta, it only fits one way, so if you put it the other way, the holes don't line up. So you don't have to worry about putting that in the wrong way. Doesn't have to be extremely tight, just snug. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh yeah, I wanted to see if I could get that clamp. Oh, I don't see it anywheres. Good. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah. There. Put it in there. I know. I was gonna wash everything, but getting dark. I work nights, so I don't have much daylight. Definitely needs a good detail. The engine bay's a mess. I will do it eventually though. Oh, it's horrible. If I had a garage, she'd be spotless. That's my excuse. Anyways, this thing, you just finger tight it. And don't really twist on that, because that bolt under there, I broke my buddy's on his Subarus. This piece here, because I tightened it and it just snapped. So don't over tighten it, just it's not going anywhere. Now the instructions, they want you to disconnect this hose and all this, and it's really confusing. I don't know if it's easier because this intake fits the J35 and this as well, so I don't know if the instructions are for the J35 or what, because it's a little different. But all I do is, here, I'll show you. Line that up with the hole there, and then put that over your throttle body and swing this around, and I go up underneath and I just, oh, my clamp's gone. And this clamp. Here, I'm just gonna put that on right now. And same thing here, just snug it up. Don't have to over tighten it. Clamp off of here. Wrap it around, and I don't even have a clamp on there. I probably should, it might work better. Plug your sensor in. You can put that in. Oh, I should have. I'm gonna move this. There. Now you put the battery back in and you're all done. If I had a hose and everything, I'd be rinsing all this and cleaning it, but it'd just take too long with a bucket of water. So unfortunately, it's gonna stay looking filthy, because it is. When it's raining, I don't drive too fast in case I hit a puddle of water, because I don't want the water to suck up in there. So I just take my time. I haven't had any problems yet or anything, so if I do, it probably won't be a good thing. That's how it goes there. Oh, there we go. For the clip. Oh shit. Now where'd I put the clip again? And this way you don't take a puff before doing things. There we go, found it. There. There you go, it's all done. I think the hardest part about installing this was the first time trying to figure out the right size tubing and where it goes, because it comes with the ones for the J35 and the J37, but after that, oh yeah, and this, that was a pain in the butt. So I just decided to do that little twirl around, and it works. I don't know whoever else has an intake what they did there, but it works, and it seems a lot less complicated than taking all this stuff out. So that's the way I'm gonna do it. See if we can hear this thing. If you put this back on here, probably won't hear it as much, but it might protect it from the water. Yeah. Screw that, gotta hear it. I'm gonna leave it like that. You can get a bag that goes over these, supposedly protects it from the water, but I don't know, I'm not hitting any big puddles or going off-road, and so we should be fine. And that's that. It didn't take long. I mean, I did take a video, so it takes longer, but it took me, if I would have just did everything quick, maybe 15-20 minutes. So yeah, this is a must-have, in my opinion. First mod you should buy. And also, when you unplug your battery, it does that, and it's right there. Don't be an idiot like me and look for half an hour through that book for the code. Right when you open it. really good sound system in this thing. I didn't do a review yet. I mean, there's a couple out there, but I'm gonna do one of my ownership of it and why I bought this over the competition, the BMW and the Infinity. So stay tuned, and I will do my best to keep the videos coming. If you like the video, like and share and hit that subscribe button. It's encouraging to see the subscribers go up. It's going up slowly, but it's going up, and kind of pushes me to make more videos the more subscribers I get. So I appreciate you guys for subscribing, and stay tuned for more.